Thank you for joining in today's video. I have a double unboxing. One of these items is from Chanel and the other one is from Dior. I'm excited because it's been a while since I've unboxed anything from Chanel, so let's get right into the unboxing. So I'm going to start with this Dior package. It's an item that makes a lot of sense for my wardrobe, and I'm doing a lot more casual outfits. So these are the Walk-In Dior sneakers in a beautiful nude. I love this color with that canage type of texture. These are super comfy and they go with so many different outfits. Look at the laces too. This. Now, I typically go between a size 37.5 and a 38. I did go with a size 38 in these, and they're just very comfortable when I walked around in the store. I would highly recommend these, but I will let you guys know after a while. This is my first pair of Dior sneakers. You guys know I have the Chanel sneakers that are more of that low top, so it's nice to have more of this higher top. So lately I've been a little bit on the hunt for some sneakers, and I've checked out a couple different brands, but I felt like the Dior ones were always ones that I've had on my wish list when it comes to sneakers. I just haven't had a chance to try them out. This one I felt was the perfect addition. I love the texture here. The color is amazing. This is more of that, a little bit more of a slight pink undertone, but very neutral type of beige shade. So I think you can wear so many different things. So let me grab my Chanel sneakers so you guys can get a sense of even like the color shade variation. So these were my Chanel sneakers. These came out in 22P collection earlier this year, and it's like a very light pink. But if you look at this compared to Dior, you can see this is much more of a true beige to me, and this one's got definitely more pink. Now they do make these sneakers in the most recent collection in a true beige, for those of you that do like the Chanel sneakers. I do love how it's got the higher top going into more of the fall winter months. I'll probably be able to use these a lot more. I live in Chicago. We're already at fall 50-degree weather here, so but yeah, I think this will give me a good variety when it comes to sneakers in the collection when I want to switch it up between the two. Let me pull in some mod shots from these Dior shoes.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride, that's where I never thought it would matter.
So my next item, this is from Chanel, and I'm excited because this is one of my all-time favorite pieces. If you know this box, it's an SLG, and I can't be more excited because these SLGs are hard to find, especially if you are like me looking for a particular shade. Here we go. Let me grab this out of the way. This is in the dark beige. Look at that, so beautiful with a light gold. This is from the 22A collection, and I'm obsessed. Yes, I have been in a little bit of an SLG kick lately, and it's got that, did you see the back pocket? I'm going to show it to you guys again. But look at that card holder here, and this is indeed made in France, which is great. I love it. This is one of my favorite SLGs. I love this in a caviar. I think Chanel SLGs are best in caviar. That's just my own personal opinion. It's so classy too. It just reminds me, of course, of the classic flaps. So I really love this design. I actually like this design more than the zippy one. So, but I think the best and fun part is, let's see how this compares to my other dark beige. One of my favorites is the 19B, but I'll pull out the beige clear too so y'all can see. I get a kick out of shades of beige, as you know. Hopefully some of you do too. But this is the classic beige clear color. I think that's a beautiful complement when you look at that shade variation. Now definitely this is more lighter in shade. It's more throws that dark beige, but I think they go so well together. Now the one that I'm very excited to show you is one of my all-time favorite shades from Chanel, and that's the 19B. Look at that. There is indeed a shade variation, but this to me is like lighter, a lighter, more neutral shade of beige. This is definitely darker, and hopefully you guys can pick that up. I'm pretty obsessed. Look at that. Guys, I don't know. There's something about Chanel beige shades that just get me so excited, especially the darker ones. I think they're so pretty and unique. But what do you guys think? Wasn't this perfect? But that's it for today's unboxings. Thank you again for joining me, and I will talk to you in my next video. Take care.